So in this problem, we're going to find the area of a lawn. And here's the shape. We have a rectangular yard like this, with a length of 10 meters and a width of 6 meters. And in the middle of this yard, we have a swimming pool with a radius of 2 meters. And what we're trying to find is this shaded area around the outside. So what we have is a rectangular yard, a round swimming pool, and we want to find the area of the yard not counting the swimming pool, because that's where we're going to plant grass. We need to know how much grass seed we need to buy, so we need to find the area of the lawn. So we don't have any way of doing this directly, since this is kind of a complicated shape. What we do know is we know how to find the area of a rectangle, and we know how to find the area of a circle. So in order to get the area of this shaded region here, we can take the area of the rectangle and subtract the area of the circle. In other words, we're going to find the area of the whole yard and then the area of the swimming pool, and we're going to subtract, and what's left over will be the area of just the grass. So let's get started with the rectangle. So we know how to find the area of a rectangle. The area is simply equal to the length times the width. So using our numbers, the length is 10 meters, the width is 6 meters, so that gives us an area, when we multiply, of 60 square meters. Now let's deal with the circle. For a circle, the formula for the area is area equals pi r squared. Now before we move on, there's a couple things I want to point out about this formula. First of all, we don't see any operation symbol in between the pi and the r. So by default, that means we multiply. Whenever we have two numbers or symbols placed side by side with no symbol in between them, we assume that we multiply. The second thing is this square symbol. Well, squaring something simply means multiply it by itself. So we could rewrite this whole formula as pi times r times r. So let's do that. Now if we substitute the numbers from the problem, well, pi is equal to 3.14 times a radius of 2 times the radius again. And if we multiply this on a calculator, we get the area equals 12.56 square meters, remembering to put our units at the end. So now, remember what we said at the start for our overall strategy was to find the area of the rectangle, and then the area of the circle, and we're going to subtract to get the area left over. So overall, our area is equal to the area of the rectangle, which is 60, minus the area of the circle, which is 12.56, and that gives us an area of 47.44 square meters. And that's how we find the area of the lawn.